Welcome to our channel. If you're learning English and want to improve your skills, you're in the right place. Today, we will present a series of simple sentences that you can use in your daily life, and when to use. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Is typically used as a formal or informal greeting when you meet someone, whether that person is a friend, a colleague at work, or even a stranger. This phrase is used in social and professional situations to ask about the other person's condition, and it is often accompanied by responses like, "I'm fine, thank you," "and you?" or "Good, how about you?" What is your name? What is your name? Is used to ask someone their name. It is a straightforward question used in introductions or when you want to know or confirm the name of the person you are speaking with. This phrase is commonly used in both formal and informal settings. Where are you from? Where are you from? Is used to ask someone about their place of origin or where they live. It is often used in conversations to learn more about the background of the person you are talking to, whether in a social or professional context. This question helps to initiate discussions about cultural backgrounds, hometowns, or countries of origin. How old are you? How old are you? Is used to ask someone their age. It is typically used in contexts where knowing someone's age is relevant, such as during introductions, in social settings, filling out forms, or in situations where age-specific information is required. However, it is important to consider the context and cultural norms, as asking about age can be seen as sensitive or impolite in some situations. Can you help me? Can you help me? Is used when you need assistance from someone. It's a polite and direct way to ask for help, whether from a friend, colleague, or even a stranger. I like to learn English. I like to learn English is used to express a desire or interest in learning the English language. It's a simple statement that conveys your enthusiasm for acquiring new language skills. What time is it? What time is it? Is used to ask about the current time. It's a common question to find out the hour of the day. This is my friend. This is my friend is used to introduce someone who is your friend to another person. It's a way to make an introduction and indicate the relationship between you and your friend. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Is used to ask for the location of the bathroom or toilet. It's a common question when you need to find the restroom in a public place or someone's home. Thank you very much. Thank you very much is used as a polite and appreciative way to express thanks. More emphatically, it's used to respond to kindness or help given to you by someone else. Thanks for watching.